Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are looking at beautiful crochet baby sandal designs. These teeny sandals are soft, cute and perfect for babies. They are comfortable to wear and can be made in many lovely colors and styles. If you enjoy crochet or you are looking for a sweet gift for a new baby, these ideas will inspire you. Crochet baby sandals are made with soft yarn so they feel gentle on a baby's feet. They are lightweight and easy to wear. Many parents love them because they keep little feet cozy while also looking stylish. There are many different designs to choose from. Some baby sandals have simple straps while others have pretty flowers, bows, hearts or cute buttons. You can make them in pink, blue, white, yellow, green or any color like you. Bright colors like cheerful while soft pastel colors give a sweet and classic look. Open toe crochet sandals are perfect for warm weather. They allow fresh air to reach the baby's feet while keeping them protected. These sandals are great for family outings, birthday parties or everyday wear. Many crochet baby sandals have adjustable straps with buttons or small buckles. This helps the sandals stay on the baby's feet comfortably. It also makes them easy for parents to put on and take off. You can decorate this sandal with small crochet flowers, butterflies, stars or teeny leaves. Some people also add pearls or ribbons for a special touch. These simple decorations make every pair look unique and handmade with love. Crochet baby sandals are wonderful gifts for baby showers, birthdays or newborn celebrations. Handmade gifts always feel more personal because they show care and creativity. Friends and family will appreciate the time, the effort you put into make them. When choosing yarn, always pink, soft and baby friendly materials. Gentle cotton or baby yarn is a good choice because it is comfortable and easy to wash. Babies have delicate skin, so soft yarn is always the best option. You can also make matching accessories like baby hats, headbands, dresses or blankets. A matching crochet set looks beautiful in baby photos and makes a throughout gift. One of the best things about crochet is that you can create something special with simple stitches. Even beginners can learn to make easy baby sandal by following step-by-step patterns. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.